Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're addressing a common issue that many iPhone users experience: a dimmed out time and date on the lock screen. If you've noticed this on your iPhone, don't worry, we have a solution that can help bring those details back to full brightness. In this video, we'll walk you through some of the steps to sort out these issues. First, you need to lock your iPhone screen. Tap on the screen to wake, and within the lock screen, tap and hold. From here, tap on Customize. Then lock screen. Now tap on the time. From here, try changing the colors and see if that resolves your issue. Sometimes changing the colors can brighten the date and time on your lock screen. If this didn't work out, let's move out to the next method. The next method is Force Restart. Force Restart is a simple reboot. This process can often fix display issues like the dimmed lock screen. Follow along and let's get started. If you have an iPhone X or any model newer than that, here's how to perform a force restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down button. Press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo, release the power button and let your iPhone restart. After it boots back up, check your lock screen to see if the time and date are now clear and fully visible. If the force restart doesn't solve the problem, you can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. Don't worry, this won't delete any of your data or apps. It will simply reset your settings to their default state. To reset all settings, open Settings and navigate to General. Then scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Then choose Reset All Settings. This might help clear up the dimmed lock screen issue if a force restart alone didn't do the trick. And that's it. With these simple steps, you should be able to restore your iPhone's lock screen back to normal. Good luck. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful iPhone tips.